If you want to run a successful cake business, you have to have these 7 habits. Building good habits early on helps to avoid unnecessary stress later and helps you build a strong foundation for a successful and sustainable cake business. So let's get into it. The first habit that you need is pricing your products effectively and not just guessing your worth. The foundation of any good and successful business is knowing their numbers to know where they truly stand and if they're moving towards their goals or not. You gotta get your numbers together. And I've actually made it a little bit easier for you to be able to calculate your numbers with my cake pricing calculator. Because this is such a crucial aspect to you running a successful cake business, I'm going to be dropping the price just for this video. So there are no holdups on you grabbing it. If you really want to grow and build good habits for your cake business, you gotta get your pricing under control. And this actually leads me into the next habit of taking your payments through an actual payment processor. We're taking our payments through professional platforms that not only will make it easier for your customers, but also easy for you as a business owner to be able to track your finances when it comes to your business. Building up this habit early on is going to make it easier for you as you grow your business. And I know some of you are like, well, I'm just starting off and I'm just doing this for fun. When you get to the point where you actually want to start growing your business and having it professional, is going to be a much easier transition for your customers. It's just going to be already in place for you to have a professional look and feel about your business. And so they'll quit playing with you and your monies. I have found, for me personally at least, that by using a payment processing system, people take me, my business, and their funds a little bit more seriously. The payment processing system that I personally use is Square to handle all of my business transactions. While we're on the topic of being professional, the next habit that you need to start building to have a successful cake business is communicating with your clients in a professional manner. Gone are the days where you have an excuse about why you talk reckless to your customers. There's no more excuse for it because we have new technology called AI, ChatGPT specifically, where it can help you craft professional responses to your customers. A lot of times we turn our customers off before they even step foot in the door by the way that we approach them and by the way that we communicate with them. Having professional communication just has so many benefits to you as a business owner and your business. So let's go ahead and start building that habit to communicate professionally with our clients because again, we are running a professional business. And this is not something that you should just wait to do. Just in general, as people, we should be working on our communication with others and presenting ourselves well. Hey, real quick before we get back into the video, if you're a home baker trying to start or grow your business, I made something just for you. It's called Business Made Simple, and it's the shortcut I wish I had when I was starting out. Inside, you get a simple sales strategy, mini lessons, post and message templates, and even discounts on all of my products, including my recipes and the cake pricing calculator. It doesn't matter if you feel stuck, if you're just getting started, or if you're ready to finally start taking your business seriously. Business Made Simple will give you the confidence and the clarity you need to move forward on your goals. So if that sounds like something that you've been looking for, then click the link in the description below and join Business Made Simple for bakers. And let's get you selling the simple way. See you on the inside. Piggybacking off of the whole no excuses, we need to create and execute our policies for our cake business. You as the business owner get to make the rules for how your business is run, but it's also your responsibility to make sure that you execute those rules. Creating policies and rules around your business makes it so much easier for you as a business owner, as well as your customers, to be able to know exactly how things are going to go down. It also helps build up trust and makes your business look even more professional. It takes any questions out of the process when something goes wrong, and it helps you to move in a more efficient flow because you already laid out exactly how your business is to be run. This is also helpful for when you start to grow and expand your business and potentially hire on someone else. Everyone is on the same page and everyone knows exactly what needs to be done for your business to be successful. The next habit you need to build in order to run a successful cake business is creating systems and processes to help your business run smoothly. Just like implementing policies in your business is going to help you operate it smoothly, you also need behind the scenes systems and processes to make your work more efficient. This can mean simplifying what you offer, simplifying the ingredients that you use. This could be simplifying how you put your cakes together from prep to delivery. Having some sort of system or process in place for your business is going to help you to be able to grow and expand your business much quicker than just figuring it out as you go. The more you practice your systems, the quicker you're going to be able to move through the baking process. This also makes it easier for you to bring someone into your business, as they can just jump right into the flow that you've already laid and set out. Having systems and processes also helps you to be able to see areas in your business that can use a little tweaking to make it better, and it allows you to be able to see where you have room to maybe add something to your business to scale it to the next level. The next habit that you need to build to make your cake business successful is to show up consistently in your business. Now, consistently doesn't mean that you have to show up every single day front facing, but it could look like you working on things behind the scenes on your business. Maybe it's updating your order form. Maybe it's updating your website. Maybe it is working on a new recipe. Maybe it is sending out new marketing messages. You need to show up consistently in your business to make it grow. Now, I told you that there were 7 habits that you need to learn in order to grow your cake business. But surprise, I have one last habit that you need in order to be successful in your cake business. You need to start growing the habit of no. It's okay to be rejected by customers because it's not what they need at the moment. And it is also okay for you to reject customers if it does not align with your goals for your business. Saying no to things that don't help you get to where you're trying to go is going to free you up so much time to be able to take on the orders and actually do the things that will help you get to where you're trying to go. So don't be afraid of the word no. You gotta toughen up a little bit and start dishing out the no's. You get a no, you get a no, you get a no, because everything just isn't good for your business. I know some things can look cool, and this is something that I'm really still working on. As you grow in your business, you're gonna start seeing how saying no is going to shift and evolve over time. And this is a season that I'm currently in, of saying no to things that's not going to help me to reach my goals. It's hard because there are things that look like, oh, that looks so fun, that would be such a great idea, that would be so cool. But when I really take a step back and look at it to see, well, this is where I'm trying to go, and then this is where it'll take me, it's becoming easier for me to say no to that thing because I'm not trying to be over here. I'm trying to be here. So don't be afraid to say no in your business, and don't be afraid to grow, because in order to run a successful cake business, you have to build up good habits. And the best time to start building those habits is now.